built, not bought. That's for damn sure. Hey guys, it's Crispy Driver here, and we're heading over to the Smithville Car Show. Filming this intro a little bit last minute because I woke up a little late for it, but we're on our way. You guys are going to see all kinds of cool cars today, and if you like my videos, please leave me a like. If you subscribe, just know that I really appreciate it, and you have a wonderful day. There we go. Hey, it's voiceover Crispy here, jumping in because they played non-stop copyrighted music the entire time that we were at the car show. So here we are looking at this, what I believe to be a postal Jeep with some really sick wheels, and I really like all the skeletons on the outside. That's pretty sick. So what we were at is the Smithville Car Show in Smithville, Indiana. Pretty small little town, but the car show itself is always packed. I mean, every time I've been, there's been at least 100 cars. Looking at this sweet Roadrunner here. But yeah, every year, completely packed. Sometimes I've even seen some supercars there and so forth. Didn't see anything quite like that this time, but did see some really cool classics. Love the flame job on that one. That one's sick. Got to turn back around for that old Plymouth Roadrunner. Thing is nice. Anyways, gotta give props to the car show. It was pretty well organized. The only thing I think I really got upset about was that somebody came out and mowed the field before we had gotten out there. You'll actually hear me in just a second talk about it. And made it for a bit of an odd thing for a car show, because a lot of people usually try to keep their cars as clean as possible for that, and getting out there and all that grass being everywhere. Everybody ended up with tons of grass all over their tires and on their fenders, but a lot of them got it cleaned up. In fact, I think I mentioned something here in a moment. Sweet Mustang though. I don't know whose brilliant idea it was to mow the yard right before we all came out here, but they are geniuses. Anyways, there was a lot of nice cars out there, a lot of classic cars. Pretty much anything that you can think of. I think that's an old Impala there. Nice Ford wagon. Particularly like the paint on that one. You can tell how much work goes into a lot of these builds, especially the classic ones that are so well done like these. Just an intense amount of money, time, and effort to get these things to look like they do, considering their age. Really like that Corvette. Had nice ghost flames on the hood and down the fender there. I guess you wouldn't call them ghost flames, but just two-tone flames. They were pretty sweet. I like the wheels on it. This truck here had a big, I believe a Cummins diesel in it, and had that cool-ass roll coal on the side. Definitely appreciated that. Those big-ass wheels. And that blue patina, I mean, it was straight-up patina. I mean, they definitely had drugged this thing out from behind a barn somewhere. Done all this work to it, but clearly well done. Clearly very well done. It was a Ford, but I'm still fairly certain it had Cummins diesel in it. They had the same truck out here, the Rust NPC. Definitely like the name of it. Rust in Peace on the back there, of course. It was a beautiful day out. We got out there a little later than I'd meant to, but the sun was shining. Clouds were beautiful. Now, this Corvette, I gotta ask you guys' opinion on this one. I'm not a huge fan of the Lambo doors. I feel like it might have done a little too much to this car. But let me know your opinions down in the comments, because yeah, not my style, but you know, maybe somebody else's. This one didn't have the cleanest paint job or even cleanest body, but hey, it made it out there. A nice Corvette. You get that flat black car sitting next to the paint on this one. It looks gorgeous. Now this thing, I wanted one of these so bad. The Prowler. Wanted one was so bad when I was a kid. I don't know about owning one now. It seems like it would be a little difficult to maintain. Y'all let me know. What do you think? Prowler worth it in 2023? Love that two-tone there. Nice Chevy Camaro. I'm not a big fan of this other Camaro here. I'm not trying to dog on it, but again, not my style. Engine looks really nice. I believe he's got an Instagram tag there if you want to go check him out. Now this Chevy here is showing a little purple on the video here, but it was very sharp blue, 454. Now that's my style. I like that. Then they got the Ram Charger for sale if you want it. Very good shape though. Got a little bit of rust underneath. Very nice. Another one of my favorites at the show here, the GTO Judge. They had on their plaque there that it's a certified race car. As you can see there. All homologated. As far as I can tell, all original. Nothing real done to it. And just your classic Dodge Challenger RT. I do like those smoked headlights. Pointed them out to my wife, and she was asking if I wanted them on mine, but I think I'm going to leave mine without the shaded. I'm not a big fan of the shaded ones. Loving that little Chevy there. That thing would probably sit you in the back seat if it wanted to. Nice Shelby clone. Little mini truck action. Don't get to see many of those around here. Highly appreciated. The headlights on that thing are awesome. They're all LED. A little hard to see in the camera there. Nice Ford Coupe. Could not imagine trying to replace the windshield on that thing. That would be a bitch. This one is one of my favorites as well. Just loved the wheels on this thing. Loved the engine. Loved the whole build. I could hear the owner talking a little bit about it, and it sounded like it took a lot to do. You hear the engine of that bad boy too. Another pretty sweet hot rod. And now back to this one. Anyways, as I was saying, with the driver talking about it, it sounded like it took him quite a few years to get this all built up, and it looks amazing. I love the interior. I love the little green bits. It really sets it off, and then the pinstriping. Pinstriping is just cake. Here's another piece de la resistance. The Honda EE hatch. Now, I'd seen this one once before, a long time ago, at a Cars and Coffee event. and didn't get to take a good look at it then, but definitely took my time looking it over this time. Now, as far as I know, this one actually does perform in actual racing events across the country. But as you can see, not much done to it in the way of the engine, but not much to do. You know, lightweight, don't need a lot of engine. Definitely one of my favorite builds to see out here. Now that red Mustang, you might recognize it from the very chill Cars and Coffee video I posted about a month ago. So we actually have seen that red Mustang before. Got a little distracted by this Honda. I love the matching helmet too. That really sets it off too. Walked over here, seen another Judge GTO. This one didn't have a fancy sign, but it looked like it had the same engine, so I'd assume that it was homologated in the same way. Don't know that it was an actual race car either. But it definitely looked cool. I like that paint. A little bit of European action for the boys over the pond. This thing was really cool too. You stack the whole crew in this one. Caught a little bug in there. Just a little tiny bug, don't worry about that. There we go, zoom in on it. Life's journey is not to arrive in the grave safely in a well-preserved body. That's for damn sure. And I'd say if you ended up in this one, you might end up in that grave in a not so good shape body if you end up wrecking it. There's a lot of these cars out here, but I'll be honest, I don't want to sound like a fool, but I don't know what those are. You know that that's a Chevy Chevelle SS 454, of course. Yeah, all right there on the black. Very nice though. Very nice. I believe that was a Ford truck. Another Ford truck. Little F100 Interceptor engine down in there. Not sure that's quite original, but the two-tone looks amazing on that truck. Another Ford Mustang. Hard top this time. Very nice wheels. A lot of classic stuff. Now this one here, I like this one. Got the Knob Creek catch can there. And that big old Whistler boy right there on the side. Yeah, I'd say he wasn't running pump gas. That's for damn sure. Pointed it out to my wife. Couldn't understand why I was laughing so hard. We went down here, found these old boys. One of them wanted to show me something cool with this here Ford. I'll risk the copyright and let you guys hear it. There we go. Oh, that's awesome. Oh, that's great. That's awesome. Thanks, sir. That thing is awesome.
Hot dogs are okay, marshmallows are not.
No, marshmallows aren't. Okay. Careful of them. Gotcha.
It's got a little toast thing on the back.
Right, right. especially like that. That older gentleman appreciated him a lot for doing that for us. I believe that was propane that he was using to light those fires. But yeah, it was an old Ford Wrecker. My favorite part is under engine, it just said yes. And I spotted this extremely nice Ford hot rod. I love all the little red details. The black leather. Just very, very nice. Big, big fat tires on the back. Found this other hot rod over here. That paint, a little hard to see in the video, but it actually had like purple on it, so it was like black and purple. That big Chevy engine in there. Very well done. I have to say this. Big blown Dodge. The rat fink and the pinstripe.
It was built, not bought. That's for damn sure. That is built, not bought.
Winding down, we kind of went off to the other side here. Spotted some real old cars. I'm going to be honest, I don't even know what that is. If somebody wants to tell me, please tell me down in the comments below. I do know that one to be an old Ford. Doubt it looked like that when it came out the factory. And a nice Chevy step side. C10 truck. Love the wood in the back. Very well done. Moved on to this, believed to be a Mercury Cougar. That yellow paint really stood out. Those body lines were really nice. Cleopatra. This big boy right here. Like those custom valve covers. I believe there would be flames on them. Now this one here is probably my favorite car at the show. I thought it would be the most well done. Just all the different details that he put into it. The engine, you see the wire holders were actual bullet casings. Used real signs as the seats. The shifter looked like an old cap and ball shotgun. The skull there, the center console. The moon eyes gas pedal. I mean, just every bit of it was amazing. Old police lights on the back. Very well done. And all the old license plates making up the bed of the truck. Very, very cool. And just this cool little 3-wheel scooter on the back. This is probably the favorite truck overall, as far as trucks go, not hot rods. This thing was amazing. It was in great shape. I'd say, though it hadn't been worked on before, everything looked fairly original. Let me know what y'all think. This thing look original to you? Definitely a gorgeous truck. Definitely a head turner. I had to stop and look at this one. I love it was almost like a cream colored flames on the side. Things were sick, especially with that purple paint. This one reminded me of like an old Hot Wheel. Definitely a cool build. I had to double check to make sure it didn't say Oppenheimer on the valve covers there. It's Offenhauser. Offenhauser. Nice Yanko Chevy Camaro. I don't believe this one was a year one. One more shot of that line of cars. Tons of Corvettes out there. Tons of Corvettes. And as we wind the video down, I just wanted to say thank you so much for watching the entire video. If you liked it, please leave me a like. If you would subscribe, I really appreciate it. And you'll have yourself a wonderful day.